hidden veggie chicken nugget.
For our chicken nuggets, we are going to put our chopped cauliflower into a pot of boiling water and boil until soft, about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. My cauliflower has been boiled and it's now soft, so I'm going to blend it into a nice puree. For my hidden veggie chicken nuggets, I'm going to add 2 cups of the pureed cauliflower. 1, 2. I'm going to add 1 package of instant potatoes. It's about a cup. And I'm going to add 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. And blend until smooth. To my bowl, I'm going to add 2 pounds of ground chicken or turkey. I'm using turkey. 2. And to my ground turkey, I'm going to add my pureed eggs, cauliflower, and instant potatoes. To my potato and meat, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. You can use regular if you like. Now I'm going to mix up my meat and veggie and spices. To a new bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of tapioca starch, but you can use any kind of starch, potato, corn flour, corn starch. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Give it a whisk. I'm going to scoop about 1.5 tablespoons of meat into my tapioca spice mixture. Make it into chicken nugget shape. And voila. Now that my nuggets are all shaped, I'm going to spray with some oil and pop in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. We've got our delicious homemade hidden veggie chicken nuggets. Perfect for kids, easy to freeze. Put them in the freezer in Ziploc bags, and then when you're ready to eat them, you can cook them from frozen, pop them in the air fryer for about 15-20 minutes, and they'll come out golden and delicious.